Let's fix your Instagram message problem. So let's hop into Instagram. There, if you go for the messages, you can't send any message, but even though you can't receive any message, all you can do is that you can go to the settings, you can scroll to find apps. There, scroll all the way to find Instagram. Here it is. And what you can do is that you can tap on clear data and it will ask you to the clear cache, and you can clear cache, and this will definitely resolve your problem. If this doesn't resolve you can go to Google, search for Instagram down detector, Instagram down, and you can scroll down to find current status and problems of the Instagram. If it shows any of the problems of Instagram, that means you need to wait until that problem or the servers need to be resolved and get to be well and good worked. Let's say if this is too good and it's still not getting that, you can go to the Instagram, tap on the profile, top three lines. You can scroll to find limit interactions. Let's say you need to turn off this limit interactions, because sometimes you can see contents and messages will also be limited if this turned on. And the third thing is that you can go to message and story replies. You can tap on message request. There you need to control all the message requests from the people or the followers or the following of you. And this is how you can fix Instagram message problem. Thank you.